ça va et toi? Ça va bien, merci, au revoir. Salut, ça va et toi? Ça va bien, merci, au revoir. Salut for hi, ça va, how are you? Et toi? And you? Ça va bien, merci for very fine, thank you. Au revoir, goodbye. This is a very brief review of French greetings, which brings me to my next point. This week, we will be reviewing a few words that we've done before. Some of them may be new, but it should be a little bit easier to learn them because you will be seeing the French part, which we will be reading together, and the English part of the word, which you will be seeing as part of the slides. But before we do that, I would like us to learn our French alphabet. We will be focusing from A to J. So I would like you to repeat after me during the pause. A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G, H, I, J. G. These two sound as though they kind of swapped how they sound, like in English. So it's like you're trying to say a fancy J here, like a J, but you know, like a J, but you don't finish it, so you say J. And then here you say J, J, J. All right, so let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, J. All right, let's play this song. It's also gonna be part of your Google Slides. Please play the full song. Try to sing along if you can.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
Let's try. A, B, C, D, E. One more time. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. And then F, G, H, I, J. F, G, H, I, J. All right, so please make sure you play the full song. I'll add other alphabet songs into your Google Classroom, so you should be able to play them as much as you'd like and choose the one that you feel helps you learn the best. Yeah. All right. Ma mère, ma mère, ma mère. Mon père, mon père, mon père, mon père. Mon frère, mon frère. This one helps me remember a song that you probably know in English. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonnez les matines, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Frère Jacques, frère, yeah, for mon frère. Ma sœur, ma sœur. Ma sœur. It's a very soft word. Ma sœur. Ma sœur. Now we will include French professions or French jobs and family members. See if we can make sentences. If you can remember this person, we call her un professeur, un professeur, un professeur. Now what if we added ma sœur? Remember ma sœur? Ma sœur and professeur over here. So it say ma sœur est professeur. Ma sœur est professeur. It's a very soft sentence. Ma sœur est professeur. Yeah? Un pilote, un pilote, un pilote. Mon père est pilote. Mon père est pilote. Mon père est pilote. All right? You can tell what it means by the sentence that is directly under it. Yeah? Un pêcheur. Un pêcheur. Over here we've got un pêcheur. Un pêcheur. Mon frère Jacques. Mon frère est pêcheur. Mon frère est pêcheur. Une fermière. I've broken the word into two. Fermière. Fermière. Une fermière. Do your best. Elle for she. Elle est fermière. One more time. Elle est fermière. Elle est fermière. For this one, I'd like you to hold the top of your nose with your, like pinch the top of your nose and say, un médecin, un médecin. That's how you pronounce the word. Now try to say it without pinching your nose. Un médecin, yeah? And then you say, ma mère est médecin. Ma mère est médecin, all right? Un coiffeur, un coiffeur, un coiffeur, un coiffeur. Il est coiffeur. Il for he. Il est coiffeur. Il est coiffeur. Remember, elle was for she, but il is for he. Il est coiffeur. Now, un journaliste, un journaliste, un journaliste, journaliste, journaliste. Elle est journaliste. Elle est journaliste. Elle, for she, elle, she, elle est journaliste. Yeah? Un charpentier, charpentière. Un charpentier, charpentier, il est charpentière. Il est charpentière. Il for he, il est charpentière. Alright? Un chauffeur, un chauffeur, un chauffeur. Il est chauffeur. Il est chauffeur. Il est chauffeur. Alright? Now, for this one, we do what the French call liaison. That means you kind of feel as though it's one word instead of two words here. Normally, you'd read it as un avocat. But because this starts with a vowel, we say un avocat. Un avocat. The T here is silent. Un avocat. Un avocat. Yeah? Un avocat. Il est avocat. Il est avocat. Il est avocat. Right? Alright, that's the end of the slides today. I hope you had fun remembering all the words that you know and you will be able to read the French or these specific French words by yourself. Au revoir. Oh, I just remembered before I leave, there's another song I could sing you that can help you differentiate three sentences. Hello, my friends. What is your name and how old are you? Bonjour, mes amis. Bonjour, mes amis. Bonjour, mes amis. Hello, my friends. Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? How old are you? À la prochaine fois. Next time. À la prochaine fois. À la prochaine fois.